For me, Space Invader was successful because it was fun and easy to understand. The gameplay is simple. You only move a ship left and right and shooting at aliens. The challenge of trying to shoot all the aliens before they reach the bottom makes me engage. The game also got harder as you progress, which make it more fun and exciting. I remember the satisfaction of getting a high score and the pressure of trying to beat each time. The bright color and sounds also made the game stand out and keep it more fun and exciting. It was a game that anyone could pick up and play, make, making it very popular. It's like a game for all ages. I think Atari's success come from being creative and knowing that players wanted. By creating the Atari, they made it possible for people to use cartridge to play a variety of games. At this was novel and fascinating. Also, Atari made sure include like Space Invader, which drew a lot of players. By providing modern and attractive product, Atari exceeding its rivals. Unlike other consoles with built-in games, the Atari let users switch between games using cartridge. As a result, players had more option and the system remained engaging. Popular games like Space Invader, which drew a large size audience, were also acquired by Atari. Atari products were more appealing to consumer because they offered variety and easy to use. Their joystick controller were simple and easy to use, making game fun and accessible for everyone, including family and kids. As I said, this game is for all ages.